Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Joe Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on caption on TikTok app. So I want to mention that this is not going to work for every single videos that you're seeing on TikTok, but it will work for those videos that you're able to get the caption from. But let me show you how to turn on this feature so that you can start seeing caption on TikTok. So click your profile on the lower right hand side, then click the three lines on the upper right hand side. Go to settings and privacy, scroll all the way down guide to accessibility, and here you'll have TikTok captions here. So you can simply turn on the captions and it will show captions in the app in the language when it's available. So if I go ahead and go back to the videos here on TikTok, if I go ahead and scroll through, if it finds any videos that it's allowing me to see the captions, I haven't seen any just yet, but you'll be able to see those videos that are able to show caption. And here you can see, for example, this video, it is currently showing some captions here available on the video, guys. So you'll be find this a lot, you'll find this in some of those videos where the captions are available for you to see. So once you come across a video that it recognizes the caption, you'll be able to see the videos showing the caption there for you. And that's it. So far I managed to find one video, but I'm sure that you'll be able to see other videos where the caption will be available for you. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.